I'm James with your Marco Minute. What greater way to promote your brand at your next trade show than to connect it with helpful awareness information? The awareness pocket slider is the perfect thing to get your message across. These convenient pocket sliders are designed with a sliding pull tab, which allows your clients to select useful information on related topics. In a compact pocket size, this product is portable for at-the-ready reference. Your company's logo fits on the 1 1/8 by 2 1/4 inch imprint area on the bottom front side. The pocket slider comes in a variety of health awareness themes, and you can view all of the options on our website at marcopromos.com. Item number GA1231, or call 877-592-4980.